The 2025 G-Wagon is here, and Mercedes has taken this luxury off-roader to a whole new level. It's still the boxy, rugged icon we all love, but with fresh updates that make it more refined, powerful, and tech-savvy than ever. Up front, the new LED headlights are sharper, with a redesigned grille featuring the signature three-pointed star. The bumper has been reworked for a bolder stance, and the hood gets subtle tweaks that enhance aerodynamics without sacrificing that tough G-Class DNA. The side profile remains unmistakable, with its flat panels, exposed door hinges, and wide fender flares, but look closer, and you'll spot new wheel options, including 22-inch alloys that give it an even more aggressive look. The rear stays true to form, with the iconic spare tire mounted on the tailgate and updated taillights that feature a more modern lighting signature. Step inside, and the 2025 G-Wagon welcomes you into a world of luxury. Mercedes has refined the cabin with premium materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. The new ambient lighting system now offers over 60 colors, creating a personalized atmosphere for every drive. The dual 12.3-inch displays have been upgraded with the latest buck system, offering faster response times, sharper graphics, and even more intuitive controls. The classic grab handle on the passenger side remains, reminding us of the G-Wagon's adventurous spirit, while new seating options provide enhanced comfort for both city cruising and off-road journeys. Rear passengers also get more legroom, and the Burmester 3D surround sound system turns every drive into a concert experience. Under the hood, the 2025 G-Wagon offers multiple powertrains, including an electrified option for the first time. The standard twin-turbocharged V8 delivers around 500 horsepower, providing effortless acceleration and a deep, throaty exhaust note. But for those who want a greener yet powerful alternative, Mercedes now offers a plug-in hybrid variant that combines electric torque with classic G-Wagon muscle. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and locking differentials make sure this beast remains a true off-road warrior. On the road, the G-Wagon feels more refined than ever. Thanks to improved suspension tuning and adaptive dampers, the ride is smoother, even over rough terrain. But don't be fooled, this SUV is still built to conquer mountains, deserts, and deep snow with ease. The new off-road mode enhances traction and stability, making it almost unstoppable in extreme conditions. The 2025 G-Wagon continues the legacy of being both a luxury statement and an off-road legend. With its bold new design, cutting-edge interior, and powerful engine options, it remains the ultimate SUV for those who demand the best of both worlds. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling the wild, the G-Wagon proves once again why it's in a class of its own. That's a wrap for today's episode of Rolling Legends. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new G-Wagon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more legendary rides. See you in the next one.